Welcome to a journey through the solar system, where we will explore the scale of our cosmic universe, uncover facts about each planet, and locate the asteroid belts along the way. The solar system is vast, and distances between planets are immense. To make the journey easier to comprehend, we'll use a scale where one astronomical unit represents the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, which is 149.29 million kilometers. Our first stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury experiences extreme temperature changes, ranging from 800 degrees Fahrenheit to freezing temperatures like negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we have Venus, which has the hottest surface temperature in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. This is thanks to its thick atmosphere, which traps heat. And here is our home planet, Earth, the only known planet to support life. One interesting fact about our planet that almost no one knows is that occasionally Earth captures small asteroids into temporary orbits, making them mini-moons. One of the most famous was the 2020 CD Cubed, a car-sized asteroid that orbited Earth for about 2.7 years, from 2018 to 2020, before escaping back into space. Neighboring our home is the red planet of Mars. This dry and rocky planet has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Moving on about 400 million kilometers, we have the asteroid belt, which contains millions of asteroids. Although it appears dense, most are very far apart. The belt is so sparse that if you stood on one asteroid, you likely couldn't see another, even with a telescope. The average distance between objects is over 1 million miles. Next, we have Ceres. Ceres has ice volcanoes that erupt saltwater mud. Unlike regular volcanoes that spew molten rock, Ceres has cryovolcanoes, cold volcanoes that erupt a salty water-ice mixture. After Ceres would mark the end of the asteroid belt, leaving it in between. The next planet to come is Jupiter, the largest in our solar system. Most don't know this, but Jupiter's big red spot has slowly been shrinking. In the late 1800s, it was about 40,000 kilometers wide, 3 Earths across, but now it's just 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers. Here comes Saturn, the iconic ring planet. Scientists have found that Saturn's rings are vanishing at a shocking rate. NASA's Cassini's mission found that they're falling into the planet as ring rain, a downpour of ice and dust pulled by gravity. It is estimated that the rings could be gone in 100 to 300 million years. Now comes Uranus, one of the 2 icy giants. Deep inside Uranus, the insane pressure might crush methane into solid diamonds that rain down into the core. Some theories suggest that there's an entire ocean of liquid diamond with floating diamond icebergs. The next door icy giant planet is Neptune. It is the windiest planet and has storms with winds faster than any other in the solar system. Its deep blue color comes from methane in the atmosphere, and it has a faint ring system made of ice and dust. Upcoming, we have the Kuiper Belt, composed of icy objects including dwarf planets, comets, and other small bodies. There's a mysterious gap in the Kuiper Belt called the Kuiper Cliff, where objects suddenly vanish, hinting at an undiscovered Planet 9 or past galactic theft by the Sun's sibling stars. Here we have our favorite X-planet, now dwarf planet Pluto. Pluto, smaller than Earth's moon, has a heart-shaped nitrogen ice plain called Tombau Regio and 5 moons, the largest being Charon, which makes Pluto and Charon act like a double planet. Next, we have Arrokoth, which is the most distant planet and the most primitive object ever explored by a spacecraft. Arrokoth is even redder than Pluto and was discovered in June 26, 2014 by NASA's New Horizons spacecraft team using the Hubble Space Telescope. And our last stop would be the end of the Kuiper Belt. These incredible celestial objects are just a tiny fraction of what lies beyond, waiting to be discovered, and we are yet to see what the universe has for us. The end.